Can you see what I see on my screen? $15,000 was made from a book written with AI, and you can do the same. The payment you are seeing right now is from my KDP account. The amazing thing about KDP is that you can now use AI to write. I want your full attention while watching this video. If you want to make money in the online space, this is one of the ways you are going to make money. Most of you in this class are here. Maybe you have a money problem you want to solve. You want to upgrade your lifestyle and your finances. You don't like the amount that's entering into your bank account every month. Trust me, what I'm about to talk about and show you is going to turn your finances around. It's deep for me. Before we know more about the start of the day, my name is Fanny Oluwakorede. I am a writer, I trade. The start of the day is KDP. The question here is, what is KDP? Amazon KDP involves selling of solution and information in form of book. Before we dive in, let me know in the comment section where you are watching this video from. I'll be answering this question. What is Amazon KDP? Who is it for? Can non-writers do it? What type of books can you publish? Should you use your pen name? Should you use your name? I know some of you might have heard about Amazon, not Amazon KDP. Amazon is one of the biggest and largest marketplaces in the world. When I say the largest, I mean the largest. KDP stands for Kindle Publishing. It is Amazon platform that allows anyone, yes, anyone, to publish and sell online. So you don't have to be a professional writer or an author before you start writing, because you can use AI. So you can create books like journal, planners, workbook, coloring books, low content books that don't require much writing. There are a lot of books you can write, different kind of books you can write on Amazon. Okay, let me give you an example now. Most parents usually go to Amazon to buy books. They'll buy coloring books, no content. Basically Amazon KDP is just for uploading of your books. Why the Amazon marketplace is where they will see your book. They will see, okay, oh, this is a book somebody published, and they will buy it if they like it. The beauty of this system is that Amazon does all the hard work for you. They print, they'll be the one to ship, they'll be the one to handle customer service. Your job is just to create and upload books. Isn't that amazing? Your job is just to create books and upload. So for you to be able to upload books, you have to do something of quality, because if you are not doing something of quality, Amazon will not accept your book. Very important. So this is a legit way to earn passive income, and people from all over the world are using this platform to generate thousands of dollars monthly. I've seen somebody that did $50,000 here in this Nigeria on Amazon KDP. Like, Amazon is big. Your mindset can carry it. Let me drop this. Amazon KDP is not a rich, quick scheme. I know some of you might be thinking this sounds too good to be true, but let me show you a real life example from our community. Let me show you like people that have made major money.
My name is Roslyn, and I'm a publisher on Amazon KDP. I also do other online businesses, and Amazon KDP happens to be one of the business models I have tried that has completely changed my finances. 2022, I was looking for another stream of income to supplement my job, where I was making 18,000 naira a month. And as God will have it, I took the course, and in 3 months' time, I was able to make my first $1,000. It's been over 1 year. I've made over $8,000 from Amazon KDP alone.
I started KDP last year, August 2022, and within that period of time, like last year, I was able to do $9, and that's as a result of inconsistency and my lack of focus. Yeah. But currently this year, December, and between January to December 2023, I've been able to do $13,000. Yeah, $13,000, and that's as a result of improved work ethics and also discipline, which I enforce in implementing the KDP course I've been able to watch. So I will take you through my dashboard so you can see for yourself how much I've made this month. I'll show you how much I've made this year, and I will show you how much I made last year. And so you can see from December 1 to December 26, you can see it here. December 1 to December 26, 2023, and published 291 books. I've been able to make $4,892. Yeah, you see it here, $4,892. So for this year, so let me check filters and then change it to this year. Able to make over $13,000. Yeah, just within the space of 12 months. You can see it's here, 291 books, $13,000, January 1 to December 26, 2023. And you can see how it started. You can see how it started from January, and then it keeps rising, So that's for the dashboard. Last year, that's although I started KDP around August last year, yes, and I didn't make a sale until October. I made my first sale October 2023. Yeah, precisely. You can see last year all I made on Amazon Kindle publishing was just $9. I waited 3 months to get my first sale, and afterwards I made just $9 within the space of 5 months. Told myself, okay, I want a change in my Kindle publishing. And what did I do? And based on the work ethics, you can see, like I said, there's no yardstick in success. There's no yardstick in it. I've seen some people that has just 19 books, and they'll be able to reciprocate that success, and they have more. I've seen people with just 19 books have up to like $18,000 in a month. I've seen people with just even lesser books. I've seen someone with just one book that has gathered up to $7,000 within just 2 weeks. Yeah, and I've also seen people that has even 200 books and are not making anything. So it's not just based on the books, it's not based on quantity, it's based on the quality of the work you are doing. So, like I said, 1 plus 9 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10. So also 11 minus 1 is 10. So no matter the way you do, just make sure you do the right thing and you follow
If you take Amazon KDP serious, it can change your life. Yes, it did for me. It is fucking possible to make a lot of money from this, except you don't know what you are doing, or you are not following people that have the right info that will help you to get to that place on time. Why Amazon KDP works? It's one of the biggest and largest marketplace in the world. So they have this global reach, they have this low barrier to entry. Your own is just to upload. Your books are available to millions of Amazon customers worldwide. Can you see? Make money from Australia, Canada, from your room in the country you are. Like right now, I'm in Nigeria and I make money from my room. You don't have to worry about printing or storing books. Amazon handles that. Low barrier to entry. You can start with minimal investments and you don't need any prior experience. Passive income. Once your books are published, they can earn money for you 24/7, even while you sleep. There's one of my accounts that have been generating money for me for a year now without publishing any book on it. It's one of the best passive income model business out there. So you might be wondering, who is Amazon KDP for? Is it fit for me? I can't write, I can't do this. Let me break it down. If you have a smartphone, if you have internet connection, this is for you. I already said before that you can use AI to write. A book I wrote like 2 years ago did me $200 on my side. You don't have to be a writer because you've been introduced to how to write without writing method. This is another means for you to make money online, especially if you're a fiction writer. What makes KDP make sense is that you can use your phone and the money will come in dollars. Types of book you can publish on KDP. So there is low content books, no content books, what books, fiction and non-fiction. So one common question I get also is, should I publish under my pen name or my name? Invariably, I will say use the pen name. Yes, if you want to get the pen name, go to pen name generator on Chrome. It is going to bring different kind of name for you to use on KDP. Pen names make the buyer of the book feels that the writer knows what he or she is doing. If you follow what works, one book alone is enough. Everybody's result is not going to be the same, but it depends on how hard you go with it. Don't forget, to win, it starts from your mindset. If you really want to make money from KDP, you have 2 options. 1, the dark road of uncertainty, working hard with little results, struggling to do it yourself, missing out on the right information that will help you, feeling behind and frustrated. No one to turn to for help and no community to answer your questions. So that's the first option for you. And the second option is the KDP success, like what is going to a guaranteed success, what have worked for others and it is still working. You get a fast track success on KDP, you get a support system and experts guidance, then you work less instead of you stressing yourself with different kind of videos and still not understanding how to go about it. And you'll be shown proven strategies that have helped a lot of people, and it's going to help you in the long run. Knowing exactly what to do and having a community to answer your question. So choose your options wisely. This is 2025. What do you need to get started? Number one, you need your phone. You need a good internet connection. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop. You need a guide. So I'm going to be introducing to you a guide called Stellar Publishing Guide, or CMS. What is inside Stellar Publishing Guide? If you ask me, I will say experience. You'll be learning a lot of things as a beginner. You'll be learning about some KDP terms, like knowing about your BSR, how to calculate your book spine and others. And two, you'll be learning how to create your bank account that works perfectly. Then number three, how to create KDP accounts that can publish, manage your books and also record royalties. You learn how to get stellar topics that will make you money. It's not about creating books. It's not even about using AI to create books, because if you use AI to create books and you're not creating what people want, you're not going to make money. So it is okay to follow what works. How to create stellar covers. What I mean by stellar covers is book covers that will attract your customer. That book alone can make $1,000 on your store. You'll be learning how to format stellar book that will look like it is from a publishing company and makes you more sales. I already said KDP accepts only quality. You'll be learning how to get keywords that will help you to sell out. That one is very important, because if you don't have the right keywords, there's no how you are going to say you want to write a book. Knowing the right keywords to use in everything you want to write will help you sell out. You'll be learning how to craft compelling descriptions. You will learn how to create book series, how to price your book well in order to make more money. Another thing you'll be learning is how to optimize your book and reach more audience, and having your own author website. And the last one is community of like minds. There's a community for you after getting the guide, where you can ask questions, get answers, and stay motivated. With the calculation of everything, like all this thing that I've listed is more than 200k, but the guide will be available for just 20 people, and it is going for 25k. Before it goes back to 30k, jump on it. It is going back to 30k next week. So the guide is still 25k for now. And I'll be giving my ebook out, Strategy That Made Me $2,000 on KDP. That one is worth 10k. So I'll be giving you for free after getting the guide. Okay, let's move to the next guide. I'm recommending two guides for who is CMS for. CMS is not for beginners. Actually, yes, the course focuses on how to make more than 5,000 a month. In our community, a guy did $24,000 with 3 books. Another one did $15,000. You would think it is impossible. Okay, let me post proof. This is the proof. This was done with CMS strategy. Can you see? This was done with CMS strategy. 3 books within 8 days. There are strategies you have to follow in order to make money. You are not having the right guide to get started. You'll be stuck. So right now, the best thing for you, if you know you're a beginner, is to go for the first one. And if you know you're not a beginner like that, you can go for the second one. I'll be dropping a link below this video for you to get started. And if you have gotten the guide, make sure to message me on WhatsApp or Telegram in order to get my ebook for free.